So here I am on the way to Chaurabhaja, and what I saw in this river, just hear the sound. Okay, let's go. I don't know why it is. It looks like the wave and the current is very fast. So this is the on the path of the Chaurabhaja waterfall. The tribal people use the water for their making food and all. It's clean. I request all the visitors to maintain this cleanliness. It's really beautiful. With me, my brother has accompanied me. So there are a lot of way how this water are coming. There is one there. There's one there. One out there. There's few kettles out there. Somebody has thrown the water bottle. You want to jump there? There are a few small butterflies too. See, there are some few small butterflies.
Black one.
Yeah, man.
Baby.
Oh, it's you. Okay, let's go. So there we go. So they are destroying the few parts of the jungle to build a road.
They are building it.
Yeah, but for that cost of building, they are cutting down the trees. So we have to go there in one of the hill. Let's see how long it takes. They have mentioned that. They have mentioned that it started since December of last year. And let's go. In the midst of the chirping of the birds, you can hear some music read by some of the people who have come to explore this place with like us. You can hear the sound of the water. Oh wow, there is this butterfly on my finger. See, I think the people would have discovered this Chaurabhaja place by eating Chaurabhaja. So they have given this name as Chaurabhaja. Oh, wow. You wanted a mutton, right? And no, it will not work. But I'm not harming this animal. Or nor I am going to eat this. It's so cute. Huh? So here it is. Where I am. Bye. Wait. So we crossed the water there. And we need to go straight out there in this water. It's really difficult to shoot because we have to go. Yeah, okay, fine. We have to cross water like this and we have to go. Just be careful, bhai. Use your foot. The weather is somewhat okay for the trek, and here we need to cross it again. There is no other way to go. So here it is. There is this person who is cleaning this water. He's catching fish also, and he's
Now only they are coming.
yeah, because of one YouTuber, people got aware of this place and they knew how beautiful it is. Because earlier people were not coming. It was clean, and right now it has become dirty, filled with plastic bottles and wine bottles. Kindly take it with yourself. And here we go. Oh. There was more, man.
Huh?
There is more. Yeah, yeah. You can see the water is so clean. And keep it clean, man. So he's setting his camera there. We need to go more distance. Like explore more. There will be no end, I think. Because more you explore, more you find that there is more to cover. Here. So here you can see how fast they are falling. Somebody have written somebody's name. Trek is good. So far so good. And we can go for more. So it has been long. We need not to cross the water, and we have to go on this path. It's little somewhat stony, somewhat slippery, something like difficult but fun. And you can see
Careful.
oh, so they have given this one. See, this is the way to cross. I will be next. Yo! Wait! How we need to go there? Huh? This is the way. So let's go. You can take bath here. And to go. Huh? Last. Let's go. So here we are right now, and we need to go more further. I think it's like 5 kilometers trek total, and we are almost there. We need to. If you didn't get this one, this stair of bamboo, then you have not reached your destination. Okay, I will cover it later. So we are taking this support. Ow! And we are going further. We have reached Finally we have reached. Are. It was going to fall. That was said by a person. We need to see them how they are going, how they are coming, so we can go up. It's worthy of coming till this long, but you have to be careful. It was really tiring. About this Sunday, I need to go more.
There it is deep.
It's not that deep. With the help of this stream, I climbed. I didn't find any other way to come this far, and you want to see the beauty. Still body? Yes. Taking your limit. Let's spend some time out here. We have covered almost like 5 or more, I don't know. But sorry. Let's see. We did it! We did it! Woo! No one is here. Only me and my brother. So we did it after so long trek. So yeah. Goodbye from Chawla Bhaja.
Chawla Bhaja.
This is a wonderful waterfall. Hope you visit this if you have the stamina. Let's go and like my video, like his video, and subscribe to his channel, Driving Motor. Bye. If you feel that this is deep, then try till the top. You will know what is deep, and don't make it dirty. We are almost there. We have reached the starting point actually, and thank you for watching the video.